This guy was just like, Daryl, Daryl, let Virgil get in there for a minute. Crazy. Great, Virgil fucking shouted the shit out of this thing. Virgil's here. This is a professional at work. Now that's a beautiful thing.
Taking it up a notch. Hybrid.
I just feel so lucky.
Yeah, no.
I mean, like some sort of bike expert. Could have been any guy in the world. He's just so excited to work on this thing. It's like, oh yeah, I'll get this bike working in no time. We get done, it's just like, alright boys, that'll be $500.
Yeah, one of those. Be a cool brand. You know, everything I've ever learned about welding is that you're supposed to wear glasses when you do it. And yet, I have yet to see anyone in this country wear glasses while doing any of it. You should say, well, that can't hurt too bad. You can seriously hurt yourself.
Not in Russia. Look, I think that just got a couple sparks in the eye.
Oh yeah.
These are shooting all over the place. Oh yeah.
Yeah. A little more hardcore than your bike now. Plus mine won't work anymore. Brakes are totally out of the lane.
Look at that concentration. Yeah, that guy, he's just got a couple sparks in the old eye. Probably drunk as hell. This video is unbelievable. He's like squinting and like wincing on the fan. Well, I'm just gonna say straight up, I've never met anyone better. When you're the best, you're the best. I don't think I'll be saying I'm hardcore for about a week or so. Well, maybe 48 hours.
I think next time that guy's on the saddle, he's gonna start yelling about how hardcore.